Hey guys, it's Naturally Ali, and today we'll have my father doing my hair. Insane, right? Or should I say Bruno Mars doing my hair? Insane.
Hey, this is no Bruno, this is Robert Walker. Oh, girl, what a way this hair look nutty. When I'm finished with it, you look like cream punch.
Do you spray your hair so come in like you spray cockroach? Daddy, you have to speak now.
Ah, who? What's nuts? My God. Are you sure you're my daughter? I didn't have these sort of nuts in my hair.
You're supposed to do in my hair, not making a diss track.
I'm not distracted.
Diss track, not diss track. Dissing me.
Oh, I'm not dissing it. Ah, not bad at all. I have something to work with. Ooh. Girl, you have a whole lot of hair. So nuts up. Nutty butty butty.
Daddy!
Oh gosh, that's too much hairspray. Oh, you don't do that.
Coming out nicely. Yeah. Hey girl. It's looking like Cleopatra Jones. Yeah. This is retro 70 hairstyle.
So, you're going to tell the people how you're doing my hair? You're going to give them tips on how to do hair like this, Daddy?
Yeah. All you need is an afro prick, some good old olive oil spray, and whatever oozy doozy. What is it?
It's full. Revolution.
Daddy, what you just do to my hair, Daddy?
Foamy.
Hey, you! This is looking lush and lovely. You see what I started with? It was a bag of nut, and look how I got this thing all perfect and nice. Ah, the wonder of olive oil. And the wonder of an afro pick. I need to meet the person who created this afro pick. Make things easy.
You heard it from Bruno Mars himself. This is how you make an afro.
Look at it. Woo! Woo! Hey, girl, you're looking like Cleopatra Jones there.
And then you must know about Afro, you know, beer that he used to wear back in the day.
This is the king of afros here. He used to be Afro King back in his day. Tell us about back in your day. I know what you're doing, Daddy. You patting it. Daddy, you have to tell them what you're doing so they can do it too. You pick and then pat. What's the secret?
Stop talking, girl, and look at it like that. Chat too much. Now look at that. Wee, wee, wee. Put down the afro pick and you use your God-given talent, your hands. Ooh. Yeah. This is looking great. Well, hey, Cleopatra. How is that? No. You can wear it like that. Or you can it like this.
We're going to tie a band on the front. You need to fix the band then.
Mm.
What?
Oh, no, how's that?
Daddy, where exactly would people wear this hairstyle? Where can I wear it?
To the disco.
In this modern time.
To a costume party. To a Halloween. Mm. Ah, there you go. End of my experiment.
So that's it, Bruno Mars.
I'm not Bruno Mars. I am Robert Christopher.
Come and tell them who you are again, please.
Robert Christopher Walker.
The Afro King.
The Afro King. Bam.